Like regular as clockwork. Yes, I am using the flaccid sponge. I'm going to give this a go. What I'm going to... If you just watch the... If you're watching this, you probably got my video announcement about my sponge porn video. It doesn't even fit properly. After it expands, it doesn't fit. It's ridiculous. Bloody joke. Anyway, what I'm using for the first time, just took it out of the box, is a Ripoff. Maybe I could go webcam. It's a Ripoff Hakko FX-951. It's one, you know, like $90 Australian delivered or something. It's the 240 volt version. And it's, well, let's get into it. First of all, notice that bottom. That bottom is not flat. It's got no feet. So when you put it on the damn bench, it wobbles. It bloody well wobbles. Look. Look. What a joke. An absolute joke. Piece of garbage. It's just, anyway. Yeah. So we're going to be using this. Haven't even powered it up yet. The iron is just the one of, like, chintzy plastic piece of shit. It really is. I think I broke the plastic stupid little... Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, look. The plastic, stupid black plastic clip's already broken off. It's a piece of shit. I don't even know. It's got a hole on that side. It's supposed to have a hole on that side, but you can see it's actually filled up. It's actually got the blue plastic in it. So I'm not sure what the bloody deal is there. I don't have, and I haven't used a real FX-951. Oh, I did use one once, but like I totally forget. Anyway, I've got a standard chisel tip. But this is the cheapest chintzy plastic piece of shit I've ever felt. Like a lot of people have said, oh, the Ripoff FX-951's really good. You should try it. It's a piece of, this iron's a piece of shit. I don't expect this to last anything at all. It creaks and bends, and it's just utter garbage. Like the contacts, some people have complained about the contacts in it. Yeah, no kidding. Maybe, like, the idea is you throw this straight in the bin. I haven't even powered it up yet. I guess the idea is throw it straight in the bin and buy a genuine Hakko one. Like, it's apparently compatible or something. Anyway. And the stand! The stand! The stand! What the hell is this? What is this bullshit? You can, like, you put it, like, you just throw it in, right? An iron's designed to be, like, thrown in, and it's, like, it bounces, like, that, like, it's, what? It's utter garbage. It's just unbelievable. Piece of shit. Oh, it's just, it's horrid. Look, I swear. Look at this. Look at this. Right? You go to put your iron away, right? You put it like that, it's just going to bloody fall out. Like, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to put it like that? Is it supposed to go under there like that? In which case the little thing gets wedged up in there? It is the worst piece of crap I've ever seen and used in my entire life. Why anyone would subject themselves to using this heap of garbage? I haven't even powered it up yet. Unbelievable. Like, it's just shit. I thought, anyway, I'm assembling the Gigatron board. You know, because I just got my parts in from DigiKey, so, you know, I thought I'd just kill an hour or something by soldering these, and it's just, I won't finish it, so, you know, if you're expecting me to finish it and power it up, tune out now. And anyway, so I thought I'd use this thing, so I can go, yeah, look, I assembled a whole board with it, yeah, and it's all right, it's decent, you know, it works, and maybe it works, but, like, why? No, I'm not using this. I cannot use this. It's just garbage. Self-punishment, yes. I did nothing to deserve this. Well, I was dumb enough to think that this iron might be alright. Oh, man. Hope it lights itself on fire. Well, I don't, because if there's fire in the lab here and the smoke alarm goes off, cost me like at least $1,500. I think it might be $1,700 now. I think it. Awesome. Cheapness is making me sick. Maybe I should have like set up a second cam that's just pointed at the soldering station just in case it blows up. Oh man. All right, here we go. Look, I'll power it up. Sorry, this is not going to be the best thing. I'm going to power it up. Here we go. Ready? Fingers crossed. Oh, there we go. You can see the refresh rate. It's heating up quickly enough. No, it's not. Oh, whoa. What happened there? It jumped back down. What, 212? What? No, it... Okay, we've got our first smoke. There we go, it beeped. There we go. No wuckers. Alright. Oh, there we go. It took a while to respond. There. We'll leave it at 350. We'll solder at 350. So, alright. I'm going to turn it back so I can see it. Pass the test. Pass the power up test. Barely. Alright. What do we got? A Gigatron board. Let's go. Okay. 350. It's like up, down, turning around. Up, down buttons do nothing by default. I guess I have to put it out of lock mode first. What a heap of shit user interface. Anyway, couldn't care less. It's a 350. And what chippity doodah are we got here? There we go. Now we're getting a flow on. So it works. The Ripoff Hakko FX-951 works.